I think I found a big snake. Yeah! Stop it! Hi guys! Today we are out at nature. I have this awesome bug catching tip. Let's open it. Directions and this. A flashlight. Next one. Binoculars.
Can you see?
I see close up. I see Mama close up. Tweezers. Wow.
Ooh.
You can put the bud inside it and we just...
Yeah, there's little, is that a little magnifying glass?
Yeah, this is only made for caterpillars.
Oh, it's made for caterpillars?
Yeah.
Maybe we can put other bugs in there too. Oh, that's cool. Oh, alright. This might be, oh, Kaikee, put your eye up to that one.
Magnifying glass.
Yeah, magnifying glass. And, what do we got here?
Net catch bunnies. Net to catch beetles.
Whoa, those are some big beetles.
And trap.
Okay, Kaikee, last one. Ooh. Now I get to steal your hat because it looks like you got one in here. The official Safari Kids.
So do this.
Okay, yep. Oh, he's looking official. And look, it's your favorite colors. And we'll zip. Okay, right here, I think. So let's put maybe your tweezers can go in here. And your multi-purpose tool can go, you want it to go right there? Okay. And then these, do you want me to carry these or do you want to carry these around your neck?
I think I found a big snake. Yeah!
Whoa!
Nice.
Good job. Oh, he is. Oh shoot! He's like Spider-Man. Look at him! Kaikee, look back and smile. You're up there already. Good job.
Yeah, you can move sideways.
Good job!
Hey, high five! Woo! You little Spider-Man right here.
You guys know how I'm gonna do it?
Okay, there's plenty high, baby. Woohoo! Okay, I got you.
Let's try it. Oh, let's do this. Oh, yeah. Okay, friends, let's go to the pond. Come here, friends. What do I found? Fire ants. I see ant. A trail of ants. Fire ants. Fire ants. When we come here to go fishing, I'll grab an egg to pick the fish up. I'll grab my orange net from home and bring it and then I'll catch a fish.
I don't know where we're going actually.
Hear the dolphin sound? That means we're getting closer, Mom. If we hear a sound from the pond, that means we're getting closer.
Oh, okay.
There's something that's in that cage.
You heard a dolphin sound?
Yes, that means we're getting closer. That is in the pond. So actually closer.
You know we're getting close to the pond because you see this grass right here and you're hearing some sounds?
Yeah.
What kind of animals will we find in the pond?
Dolphins, sea turtles, and swimming bunnies.
Dolphins and swimming bunnies? I've never seen a pond like that before.
I mean, sea turtles and sharks and fish.
Wow, this is a very exciting pond.
It's going to be big. Mom, we're actually close.
Oh, yay! Go, go, go!
Mom, follow me.
Okay,
Come.
I'm coming.
The water! I see it! I know it's right here. I see it!
Oh, cool.
Mom, come here! Can you see the water?
Yeah, it's so cool.
That was so.
Kaikee knows this place, Kaikee, huh?
Yes, we can just take this way. Look, Mom, come here! Mom!
Okay, yeah, show me.
This way! I know it's this way! See the turtle? See it? See?
Oh, yeah. Is it real?
Yes.
Is it? Oh my goodness, it is real. I really thought it was fake.
Really?
So I saw his head move.
Yeah, but I know it's a favorite rock.
Oh my gosh. So he's just sunning himself on the rock, huh?
Mom, but
Look at all those fish. What kind of fish is that? Look at that big one right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. The big mama jama.
no, that's a dara.
That's a dada.
The little carps.
Okay. Oh, they're carps?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, I know where it always lives.
Okay, I'm coming.
Mom, follow my trail. Here's the waterfall. And Mom, we can go each way.
You can find one, Kaikee.
To the store tops.
Oh, okay. What are we looking for?
Catfish. So the catfish usually lives over here. So where is it? I do this.
Kaikee, did you have fun in nature today?
Yes.
Yeah? What animals did you see?
I saw ants and turtles and ducks and fish.
Fishies, yeah. Let's tell our friends bye and thank you.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.